I'm here with Red Hat to talk to Johan Fredriksson, who's Vice President, Europe, Middle East and Africa for telecommunications, media and entertainment. And we're going to be talking about the adoption of new technology. So Johan, could you talk to me about the journey that CSPs need to undertake to successfully deploy new technology and the role that culture and teams play in this?
Absolutely, I can try at least. I think, the technology industry in telco, media and entertainment, it's very focused on technology solutions. And today technology many times are equally good, or it doesn't matter which Lego pieces you use to build out your network or your IT and so on. I think it's the surrounding things that are how you handle the process, how you handle the people, how do you get people engaged in your project. So I think it's super important that you engage the right people into your project of developing and taking the next step to get it successful.
Who would you say are the right people?
The right people is that you probably would need to invite everyone in your company, depending on, of course, if it's product development or in the operations department, but many more than you think. It could be legal if you're building a new product or a new service. You need to have in your DevOps environment, you need to have the legal people, the marketing people, and not only the ones building the software, because they need to interact from the beginning. So many more departments than you have done in the past with the new way of working.
And how do you lead this change management?
Red Hat comes from working and developing in communities where people are engaged with, based on interest, that they want to give something and so on. Red Hat's role here is we sell technology, we develop technologies, but many companies have found out that we also can guide them through this process based on how we do it in communities. And now we talk about how do you build your internal communities to build products and so on. So we can guide, and this is not our profession. We have a professional services, but we mostly share how they can think and do it, and then we have partners around that help us to actually deliver, everything from organizational or process consulting and so on, all the GSIs that is certified and work together. But we can share best practices and how we do it in the communities.
So Red Hat was born in the open source community. I mean, it's in your DNA. So you're a good guide for other companies who are new to it.
Absolutely, and we do it very, very bluntly, which many customers really like, because they get a blunt truth from us, and then they try to implement that in their culture. You can't take someone else's culture, you can't take someone else's process. You need to find a way to change your own with the input of a partner like Red Hat.